Bro, I already,
This guys.
already the...
Jay Shakil Balaji Easy.
That's the reason why you're So it's the reason why you came here is just only to fix the arrange everything. Then from here you will direct yourself.
I was there like things change so quick.
This year, done. Part of mix. Sino na lang?
You will have
Mix. Mix.
There is no balance in where we're going. There is no balance.
Beginner lang, beginner. Too much beginner.
where is that?
Next, dito ka. Ay, ano po? Hello, next.
Cost of living.
I've been there. We have sun in there.
Really?
Like 9 years.
How do you like it? It's different than Japan.
Yeah.
You used to stay here, you
know
used to
what,
live here, and then you will go there. You have a huge adjustment.
I was there like 2000. I'm just visiting because I'm opening stores. Reebok and something. Then I'm surprised because everywhere the mall is closed.
Every price. No, I was in Qatar. This is over here. I was really amazed the lifestyle here. Like every night I went to the bar.
Plus, I think for you guys,
It's one of the things that I visited is the grocery store because I could not believe what they're selling for. Because in Qatar, you can just buy it. So price-wise, basically, it's like 100 pounds. And here it was 20 pounds.
Hindi pa siguro siya bili.
I think for Pinoy as well, yeah, definitely.
Don't save money.
Hindi pa lang ako narinig. Hindi pa lang. Sabi ko kasi every
Touch mall, activities.
nakaapat na silang training.
Abbott
Ano
Company.
na yung discussion pa? Kasi full session. So having yung 300
I don't know now, but the second company.
full session. So you say 4-4.
If you will not be able to get an NOC, you have flexible. I don't know this if you will be able to resign and then apply again, resign.
Almar Jojo 2, Sujit, court number 4. Jojo 1 and Jojo 2. Doon ka po kay ano, kay Sujit ka. Hindi ba dahil?
Not only that one, even the Summit. There is already
Yes. Don't read it now too much. Fine. Especially hotels. Don't read it. Oh well, in my company, the lighting. We remove the regular system. Warehouse, office, and sales.
Ano ka pa rin ba?
25% in magic and the salary is cut by 30%. And the office is cut is 30%. How hard is it? Because it's the direct hit is hotel and hotel. Yes. You still have to there? I heard a lot. And there's a lot of players who gave the money. Say. Glenn, say. Judith and Kyle. What number 1? Glenn? Nick, susunod ko na kayo ni Nick.
Donita na lang.
Donito na lang. Let's see. Doon na lang ha, doon. Para mas maganda. Ilan sa iba?
Sa point na naman.
Merong umiiya dito. Say and Glenn. Say and Glenn, Judith and Kyle. Judith and Kyle. Mix. Nice, Hazel. Doon sa luweta mo ako. Paikot eh. Hindi ko dumalapit lahat.
Si Crystal, nasa?
Bukas pa yun. Injury naman yun eh.
Kung ano sa ganyan, Spencer ko eh.
May training siya. Sino na baro? Baro?
Sabi ko, mag-training ka na lang. Kukunin mo yung ano, yung training mo. Kaya.
Kilala siya rin.
What you have? It's not yet make the list. You better to start your post and give me the time to play. It's like
Parang yung kakilala ko.
really?
Magkasama ng class. Kasi nag-message ako.
Lalaro din siya, men.
Nag-message ako kasama.
I think you better to buy this one.
Kasi yun yung mga beginners lang.
Ako.
Dati namin kasama.
Going to begin part.
Ito napapanood kami dati ng mga
Ngayon, gagawin na lang. What is the process?
naglalaro dito. Nakalaro ko na.
Galing talaga sa una. And at the same time, hindi mo akalain na kailangan ko yung video mo. So, kasi, there's the time the first na ako dito. Nagtutulog ako sa doon. Yung mga estudyante. Dahil sila pala yun doon, na hindi training sila.
That is the one of the things I don't like to do with moving. Either I have to sacrifice
Kapag tinod na naman.
the apartment,
Iba na po yun ako talaga.
especially sa
Yun na yun sa
Kahit kami ganun din naman eh.
Kasi occasion na.
Every Saturday.
Every Saturday pa to.
Saturday ano, where's my
Ano ba? Birthday. So, yan yung rocket ko kanina. Yan yung rocket ko kanina. Yun ang pangalan. Next. Kahit gusto yun na, iingat ko lang. Basta simple.
May pa-uniform na talaga sila pag training.
Kasama yan sabihin niya.
Libre ang court. Ito si Casey lahat ng dinaanan.
Oo, dinaanan na. Lahat na eh. Wala din naman.
Wala din. Yan lang yun. Yun lang yun.
Bakit? Kasi
Ha? Masisira eh. Kasi pag iba-iba yung coach.
So hindi yan mag-absorb lahat.
Iba-iba yung method kasi.
Ibang method yan. So kung gusto mo talaga isa, isa dalawa, yun lang.
Oo, yan. Ano na ibang bata nila.
Pero yun sabihin mo, halos lahat. Kasi naging coach pa yun si Coach Pan. Yung umalis dito, yung head coach. Well, actually, lahat halos ng player dito, naging coach yun. Sikat na sikat kasi dito, si Coach Pan na nabulog.
Dati.
Oo, I think so. Sa mga coach pa. Yeah. Oo. Totoo lang.
Nakalista ba sa atin si Flex ko? Dito nakalista yun eh. Yes ko, sabi ko ba? Sabi niya kasi nag-alangay siya dahil siya
Ayun eh, tawag. Kaya lang yung utay dito kasi babagsayin yung isa. Athena, marry me, Don, Iya. One more Iya.